Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqviz here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter M. Today we will learn its sound, formation and vocabulary words. So let's start. How to write it, how to pronounce it. Start from the first line, come straight down, make slant line, go slant up and come straight down. It will make capital M. Start from the second line, come straight down, jump, jump again, make small loop. It will make small M. The letter name is M. The sound of M is Maryam. Monkey. Mouse. Mango. Sweet, sweet mango. Mug. Mug. The letter name is M. The sound of M is Maryam. Manners. Cover your mouth when you cough and sneeze. Okay? Cover your mouth when you cough and sneeze. Okay? Now it's story time. Max the monkey was holding a mug. It saw a mango and smiled. A little mouse came by and asked for a bite. Max shared the mango with the mouse. They became friends. Sharing is caring. I hope so. You all enjoyed this lesson a lot. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.